Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. It's June 1st. I'm so happy it's finally June. I'm waiting for summer eagerly. It's been kind of gray and very cloudy, kind of June gloomy here, and I'm really ready for some sunshine. So tonight we're going to be having a rainbow palette because I'm looking forward to sun and summer very, very much. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. I have taped the back and put my push pins in, and I have painted my sides and edges with my Prussian Blue color. Let me show you my beautiful colors because I'm very excited about this one. This is sort of a modified rainbow, only in that we're using 5 of the colors instead of 7 because my split cup has 5 chambers. So the first one we're using is this Amsterdam Carmine Red. Very pretty. I've mixed everything with my pouring medium. That is the Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol, American Floetrol. Beautiful consistency, and I have added a little bit of water to these. So not super thick, but not thin. This one is Golden's Pyrrole Orange. Beautiful. Very bright, cheerful, happy. Good color, good color. And then I have Liquitex Basics, Cadmium Yellow Deep. And then we have, DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in Emerald Green. She's a beauty. I love this color. Okay, and then we have Golden's Prussian Blue. One of my absolute favorites. And then I have a little bit of Amsterdam Pearl Yellow here. And I also am using Pearl Yellow as my base coat background color. So we're going to be doing a spiral ring pour across the canvas with my split cup. This is a 5-chamber split cup. It's 22 ounces. This is made from Tracy Reed and her wonderful husband. You can find them at acrylicpouringtools.com. And it's a great cup. So let's go ahead and layer this cup. I definitely want that red on one side. And I think what I'm going to do with the pearl yellow is I'm going to kind of stack it inside the colors. So each of the chambers will have a layer of this pearl yellow in there also. Maybe 2, depending. Okay, I'm going to put one more in here. I think it's going to be really pretty with the red, with the little bit of blending that we'll get. Okay, so there's our red. Then we'll do our orange in the next chamber. I'm probably going to put one layer of white in here. Or, I'm sorry, the pearl yellow. I really like stacking the white or the lighter color in there. It makes a really pretty effect. Okay. Now we're going to have our yellow in the center. And I'm going to put a lot more of the pearl yellow in this one. Maybe we'll get like a nice gradient with all these colors. Okay. And then we're going to do our emerald green. And I'm going to put a layer of the pearl yellow in there too. Probably just one layer. We're going to do our Prussian Blue on the other side. And I may not now. Yeah, I'll put a layer of pearl in there too. Okay. So there's our cup. Not Roy G. Biv, just Roy G. Roy G. B. Okay. This is my base coat flow extender, and this is the pearl yellow. Okay, I'm actually going to keep the canvas vertical each way. Okay. I'm just going to push it like this. Okay. I like seems like our orange has bled over into the red a little, so I'm just gonna put a little more red on the top. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Yes, you pray.
Here we go. We're gonna do our spiral wandering ring pour. Here we go.
What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark.
That's good. So that's actually 22 ounces of paint. For this size canvas, we need 26. I think I'm just gonna keep going with my flow extender instead of adding more pour on there. Because I like what's going on there. It's very pretty. So, put a little bit more of our flow extender down. So, let's look at this real quick. Out of all of this, I love this part right here, and I love this part in here. The green and the orange together, I don't know, but this is really pretty. So I basically like this whole top half. So I'm kind of more willing to sacrifice this part than that because I want to keep that. So knowing that, let's go ahead and take that way and anchor it down off of that corner. Or maybe we'll go down to this side too. Where does the paint want to go?
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine.
I really like what's happening up there.
Shouldn't doubt yourself, cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah,
That's really pretty.
Very birds of paradise.
Yeah. I like it though.
Yeah. Very cool.
Okay.
Tropical.
I might take a tiny bit off of the bottom of that corner on that side. So there's still a lot of paint moving right there. I like that. That's really cool. Okay. That's really pretty. I love this in here. worthy. Cool. I'm not going to torch it either, because I don't want any more cells that are coming up. I don't want more of that. So this is looking good. Hopefully it will be dry in time to show you, but I will show you as dry as it can be on Sunday. So at the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you have a wonderful June. We love you all. We'll see you soon. That's really cool. So this is a few days later, not completely dry, just a little bit wet in the center still, but this one turned out so fun and so cool. I love all this color and this pop. It's just beautiful in here. There's some really, really interesting, amazing parts. I love this section right in here with all that gorgeous orange and the red and that dark Prussian blue and the emerald green. Definitely my favorite part in here. I love all these little cells up here. This is that pearl yellow, the base coat that we had. And I come into this section, some big boulder poofy cells, a lot of the emerald green over here. Still very pretty though. I like how this one came out. Kind of giving me monstera leaves. I love that big, beautiful bird of paradise looking part over here. Really, really pretty lines. Colors stayed really true. Thank you, Split Cup. We love our Split Cup. So this was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This was our rainbow spiral pour on a 24 by 30. And I'm really happy. It's giving me a lot of like jungle vibes, sort of. I guess because of the monstera leaf looking parts. But this was really fun. So I wish you all a very, very happy Pride Month. I hope you have a wonderful time. Stay safe out there. Love is love. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.